Have you found yourself stumbling and fumbling in the dance of relationship? Stepping on each other's toes, not knowing the moves that bring connection or ease? Do you long for more authentic connection, ease, to be seen and understood? I do. And relationships can be challenging, and we haven't always learned the skills and tools to do that when we interact with other human beings who have nervous systems that can be complicated. And so I'm excited to bring the message to unity of the dance of relationship and share some of the key moves I have found in my life and in my life work that really make a difference. Make a difference in our authentic connection with ourselves and with one another, as well as I have found it to be a way to connect more with my essence and for us all to awaken more to our divine essence. And so I hope you'll join me. I invite you to come to Unity and share in this experience.